what started off as software has become something far, far greater. The Solidworks community is a place for people to come together and connect through a shared interest in and passion for design. The community helps you grow by providing ways for you to learn while making new connections.
You could walk in, you could introduce yourself, you could talk to these people like you'd known each other for years. It's funny you should say it's a software that connects these people, but there's something far deeper than that.
Whether you're in school, starting your own business, or already have a career in production that spans years, there are many ways to get involved with the SolidWorks community today. For some, that means getting involved in FIRST Robotics.
The SolidWorks community, to me, is a great place to bring up our next generation of users, to help lead them, to give them a space to experiment and to grow and just to try out the crazy things and to never say that's a bad idea.
For others, your school's Formula SAE team or the SolidWorks for Entrepreneurs program may be of interest. And if you're like many SolidWorks users, getting involved could mean joining or leading a SolidWorks user group.
I found the SolidWorks community is kind of like a place for learning and inspiration. It's about trying new things, having fun with it.
I'll use the community as an outlet to bounce the ideas back and forth, and it's just a big round table discussion, but you're not actually at a table anymore, you're just all over the world.
There are so many ways to get involved with the SolidWorks community. Visit our website today to learn more.